Hello, my little pickles. Granny here, and today we're gonna learn colors with gumballs and surprise eggs. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at all those gumballs. Isn't that a lot? Let's see what our first color's gonna be. I'm gonna turn the knob. Our first color is Granny's favorite color. It's blue. Granny's got to try this one. Blue tastes good. Let's see what the next gumball is. Ooh, it's Granny's second favorite color. Orange. Let's try it. Tastes a lot like blue. Let's see what the next gumball is. Ooh. It's white. Let's try a white gumball. Pretty good. Let's try for yellow. Nope. That's red. Doesn't that look good? It tastes delicious. Let's see what color's next. Oh. That's green. Green's a good color. And it tastes good too. Ooh, let's see what's next. Ooh, that's pink. Pink's a pretty color. Do you love pink? I do. I'm going to try this pink gumball. It tastes like berries. Let's see what we get next. Oh, it's yellow. Isn't yellow a pretty color? Let's try it. Oh, it tastes so good. Look at this gumball machine. Isn't it pretty? Granny's gonna get some gumballs out of it and try them. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see what color we get first. Oh, there it goes. All right. That's green. Let's try it. Ooh. Green tastes amazing. Let's see what else we get. Whoa! That's yellow. I love yellow. Let's try this one. Oh, I think Granny broke her dentures. Okay, let's get a good one for Granny. Oh, look at that. Purple's a great color. Do you love purple? I do. I'm gonna try this one. It tastes good like grapes. Okay, one more. Oh, look at that. That's Granny's favorite color, blue. I love blue. I'm gonna try this blue. Here we go. Oh, it's my favorite. Look at these guys. They're surprise eggs called Yowies. I'm gonna open them up and see what's inside. Our first one is green. His name is Crag. Let's open him up first. Here it is. Woo, look at all that chocolate. Doesn't that look good? Let's see what's inside. Oh, gotta open it. There it is. Look at him. I don't know what he is, but he's awful cute. Our next color is blue. This guy's name is Nap. Isn't he cute? He's also Granny's favorite color. Let's open him. Lots of chocolate. Ooh. Here it is. Let's see what's inside. That looks like a monkey. Our next color is red, and this guy's name is Rumble. Isn't that a funny name? Let's open him. There's his wrapper. There's a chocolate. Let's see what's inside. It's a frog. Granny loves frogs. Our next Yowie is orange. This guy's name is Boof. That's a crazy name if you ask Granny. Here we go. Let's open him up. Bet you have a good prize inside. There's the chocolate. It looks yummy. Oh. Here we go. It's a turtle. Wow, I love turtles and frogs. Our last color is purple. This guy's name is Squish. That's funny too. Let's open him and see what's inside. I bet there's a good prize in there. Here it is. Ooh, lots of chocolate. Granny's gonna eat all the chocolate later. Let's see what this is. It looks like a badger. Now's the best part. Granny's gonna eat some chocolate. Well, that's all I have for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles. Don't forget to subscribe.